forensic community on this issue. Particularly significant is the court's treatment of terminology around DNA evidence. The ruling requests avoiding terms like touch DNA and contact DNA when possible, as these could mislead jurors to assume direct physical contact occurred. The parties must submit an agreed jury instruction to address instances where these terms might be used. This reflects careful attention to preventing jury confusion while maintaining scientific accuracy. The order extensively examined case law regarding DNA transfer testimony. Notable cases like United States versus Perez and State versus Glass demonstrate that courts have accepted expert testimony correlating DNA quantity with likelihood of direct versus indirect transfer. These precedents helped establish that Noline's proposed testimony falls within acceptable bounds of expert opinion. The court also addressed the defense's challenge to Noline's rebuttal testimony. The defense argued her rebuttal opinions were improper because they didn't respond to defense expert opinions about DNA transfer. However, the court found her rebuttal appropriate given defense expert Dr. Ruth Ballard's anticipated testimony about indirect transfer possibilities and DNA persistence. Regarding scientific methodology, the court emphasized that while Noline cannot conclusively determine how the DNA reached the sheath, this limitation doesn't render her opinion speculative or inadmissible. The ruling distinguished between speculation and reasoned opinion based on scientific principles, finding Noline's analysis meets the latter standard. The broader implications of this ruling are significant for the trial. It allows the prosecution to present expert testimony linking DNA evidence to direct contact while maintaining scientific integrity through appropriate limitations and terminology restrictions. The court's balanced approach preserves both the prosecution's ability to present its evidence and the defense's opportunity to challenge its weight through cross-examination and competing expert testimony. The ruling also provides important guidance for handling complex scientific evidence in criminal trials. It demonstrates how courts can navigate evolving scientific standards and debates while maintaining focus on helping jurors understand technical evidence. The detailed analysis of expert qualifications, terminology, and the proper scope of rebuttal testimony creates a framework for presenting sophisticated forensic evidence in an accessible manner. This decision represents a crucial pretrial ruling that will shape how DNA evidence is presented at trial, potentially influencing similar evidentiary disputes in other cases involving forensic DNA analysis and expert testimony about transfer mechanisms.